Real life people or fictional? Just throwing it out there. I'm a big One Piece fan. Luffy is one of the best shonen protagonists. He's big inspiration for me. Honestly, like if you anyone here, One Piece fan, oh man, we got some Naruto fans maybe. Anyway, hey, here we go. So I know it's just an anime in many people's eyes, but there are a lot of ideals that Luffy as a character shares that I truly like look up to, that he wants to bring his friends along the way, and everyone can succeed, not just him. It's not a zero-sum game. I mean, even like making content, I think a lot of people might know that in some areas of content people have create drama with each other and trying to get all the views for themselves, but it's really not a zero-sum game. Everyone can win. Of course, if anyone listening here at one day wants to start producing something on digital media, go for it. Like there's no shame in being inspired or even kind of copying somebody else's style. I mean, you shouldn't just like do a one-to-one copy, but yeah, so that's one person. I'm gonna just throw out two more. If anyone knows David Goggins, also somebody I kind of look up to, retired Navy SEAL type of guy. My karate sensei, just very inspirational people. And the reason why I'm listing these two people, very inspirational to hear people who have to go through a lot of mentally tough battles and physically tough battles. And it inspires me because for myself, I like to do physical training. And if you go through a lot of physical training and go through a lot of hardships, it can actually prepare you for when you have to go be in society and in the world, and there might be somebody you don't like, saying some mean, sorry, I was no cursing, right? Me saying some mean stuff about you. But then what I realized is that, there's a lot of haters out there. If you ever do martial arts or things like that, it's very similar to doing content and putting your face on the internet, because a lot of people in the comments might try to put you down for something. But at the end of the day, you're the one that's actually in the boxing ring. You're the one actually out there, fighting, whereas everyone else can easily just be on the sidelines saying whatever, either booing or cheering. So characters like Luffy or real life person like David Goggins, knowing people who's gone through a lot of struggle and then realizing that if you kind of put yourself through a lot of hardships, that you can take a lot of things that are said to you in the real world or the internet digital world.